Hey everyone, it's Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Just wanted to walk around here, look at some of the awesome paint jobs that we got going on. A lot of these are getting ready for delivery. So let's just walk around here. This is our solar mist. This is a tsunami paint job. It's got some beautiful colors in our luxury toy hauler. This one here, just beautiful, almost all black. It's got the silk screens, the window silks on there to continue that beautiful paint job, give you a lot of privacy and UV protection. Here's a front living floor plan. Actually, this is an interesting floor plan here. We're gonna check this out. They're still working on it inside, but let's go inside real quick. This is not a front living. I'm sorry, this is an MD. This is a 42 MD. Beautiful, just beautiful. They went with the light colored furniture, light flooring. This is a hand-laid laminate flooring, just like you'd have in your house. So hey, check us out. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com. Give us a call. Ask us about all of these options that you can do to get into that luxury lifestyle. 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.